I pride myself on my staying home abilities. I'm real good at staying home. You know, when you catch me outside, I'm probably in Shoppers Drug Mart. I look bushed out though when I go to Shoppers Drug Mart. If you see a bushed out girl in rubber boots and like a plaid jacket with her hair all like scraggly, and she looking like Natalie Stoney on Blackstone, it's probably me. Okay, hi everyone. My name is Roseanne and I've been saying for quite some time that I'm going to make this video. So, something that okay. I'm really excited to share this with you. What I'm gonna teach you and reveal to you is aimed at Canadians. And when I talk to people, like I'll tell people and they're like, okay Rose, first of all, calm down. You're way too excited about this. And I'm like, okay, you have no idea how excited I am though. I'm like so stoked. I'll see this light bulb sort of go off in their heads and they'll like look at me and they're like, wow, like I never thought of that. Or they're like, they like roll their eyes and they're like, you're an idiot. Or they're like, I'm never gonna do that. But those people, 1 out of like 5 who are like, wow, I'm gonna go do that. That's extraordinary. That's gonna like change things in my life. Those are the people that I like want to help. No, before I ramble on for too long, it's the Shoppers Optimum Rewards Program. It's so good. The money that I've saved and the amount of money that I've redeemed at Shoppers Drug Mart. I used to think that this was a crappy program. You know, like I would go to Shoppers Optimum from my teen years to my 20s. Bear with me. And I'd look at these rewards and I'd be like, what? I need 95,000 points to redeem $170. I remember I was living in Vancouver and I was at Shoppers Optimum. After literally almost 10 years, I think I had accrued like 6,000 or 7,000 points. I was like, what a useless program. I had no idea what I was talking about. Boy, was I in for a surprise. Like, oh my god, I'm obsessed now. I'm talking hundreds of dollars. I'm talking thousands of dollars. So long story short, you can redeem amazing things. Video game systems, Xbox One, PS4 1 terabyte. I'm talking PS4 Pro. You've seen their electronics section, it's amazing. Or free groceries. Who doesn't want free groceries? You could have like a corporate job and you could still be doing this. You think rewards points are funny? I know rewards points are money. And you can leverage it in so many different ways. So sorry. Like, it's a situation, but just hear me out. More Canadians need to be living their lives this way. You know, you want to go on that trip to Paris. You want to go on that trip to the Bahamas. You want to go to Bali. You want to go to like Eastern Europe. You want to go to Dubai. When I say this, I've redeemed like thousands of dollars. I'm not kidding. I have a whole system. I'm going to show you guys the system. Okay, I found a bunch of the ones where I redeemed for $170 each. Just these like of these ones I snatched, and believe me, there's more where that came from. Here's 4 where I redeemed $170 each. I'm horrible at math. You do the math. 80? That's $680. $680 for free. Just from grocery shopping. Here's the trick. You gotta go on 20 times the points day. I'm gonna show you guys my process that I do on my phone. I'm gonna get to the logistics right now and I'll talk about the passion of this project like after. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna be doing this sort of stacking situation. You're gonna go on the app, you're gonna go look at the coupons with Shoppers Drug Mart, and that together will give you a sense of like the different groceries that you're gonna get at that time. I myself will buy products just because the coupon is available. I mean, food is food. Like, I'll literally eat like pretty much anything. So you're doing this like couponing thing. If you want, you can do a notebook and you can write down your actual grocery list if that's what you're into. If not, you have it on the app and then you go Googling and you start doing research and then you find other coupons that you can bring in store. So logistically speaking, if you printed out all of these coupons and you saved yourself, let's say you saved yourself $20 on a $200 shopping trip, and then on top of that, you're getting points for one of the best rewards programs on the planet. It's actually really simple once you get the hang of it. Shoppers Drug Mart. I love you guys. Let's purple drink. I'm so excited to show you guys this next part. This is what we've been waiting for, and it's where I show you the apps that I use for this sort of system that I've developed, and I use it and it works and it makes me really happy. I'm going to start recording and I'm going to show you the apps that you need to get and what you need to do in them. So naturally you want to get the Shoppers Optimum app, and you want to make sure that you have an account with them. Once you're in there, and I'll post the website down below. It's pretty straightforward. You just register for an account, and as you can see in mine, I have $180 points value that I can redeem. Now the main thing here is that you want to go get your digital coupons. So unfortunately I can't show you how I load them, but basically you push here, I'll remove it, and then you push this button to load it to your card. Great. So then it's automated, and you go into the store and you don't have to do any work other than just looking at your list here, seeing what you want to get, and then yeah, you pretty much, that's what you do your shopping with. And when you're going, you want to go on 20 times the points day, and you kind of stack the 20 times the points that you're getting in store with the additional digital coupons that are on your phone. A lot of times I will get stuff on here, mostly, like for instance, you see this foundation here, I wouldn't get that, and I wouldn't get the echinacea pills unless I actually need them. I'd only get the mouthwash if I ran out of mouthwash. You guys don't want to go too crazy here. The main thing you want is, like for instance, you can see when you spend $100 or more, you get 18,500 bonus points. I've done that so many times. I've used that coupon. It refreshes. It comes back after you use them. That's the great thing. So before you go into Shoppers Drug Mart, you want to look at their flyer that they have. I just missed the 20 times the points this past weekend, unfortunately, but there will be more. And that's honestly the best time for you guys to go in, because you're going to get the best bang for your buck. Okay. Now I'm done recording this. So basically you have all your coupons, and you can scan your app in store, or you can get your own card in store and you can scan it there. And like I said, everything is done already. When you get up to $170 or $500, because on February 1st, Shoppers Optimum is like amalgamating. I think amalgamating is more than two things, though. I don't know if you can say that for just two things. Are they amalgamating? They're converging. They're converging into PC Plus rewards. PC Plus Optimum points, I think. In the past, you could only redeem $170 worth of points, but now you can redeem $500 in one sitting. Do you know what that means? You could get $500 worth of groceries, and you could take that $500 that you didn't spend on groceries and put it into your savings account for that amazing vacation that you want to go on. I have $180 on my Shoppers Optimum right now. On February 1st, all of your points are just going to move over to this like PC Plus program. Would you want $500 in free groceries? Do you want to get a PS4 Pro 1 terabyte? Because you can do it. If I can get $180 worth of points on my Shoppers Optimum app easily, like in another month or so, like let's just say in the next like 6 weeks, if I go consistently to the 20 times the points rewards program, oh, plus your points are going to be worth 50% more. They're going to be giving more points. I can totally get up to $500, no problem. And eventually when I do more blogging on this, because I'm going to write a blog and I'm going to do Instagram posts and Facebook posts about how incredible this rewards program is and why I'm so excited that it's joining forces with PC Plus, because I know a lot of people are going to say, aren't the groceries expensive at Shoppers Drug Mart? Which, yeah, sometimes they are, but sometimes the sales are like hella lit. Like, it's like this hidden like fountain of youth, and I found it and I'm like, I have to show the people. The most exciting thing about this is that they're joining PC. So you can redeem these points at No Frills. Like, come on guys, like No Frills, the food is so cheap at No Frills. Like, you just get so much free food, it's amazing. And you know what? If you don't care about this stuff and you're like, nah, I have money, nah, I don't care about rewards points, think about it this way. Are you a philanthropist? Are you someone who cares about homeless people? Maybe you want to donate to like a the food bank, or maybe you want to donate to like a women's shelter. Maybe there's underprivileged like youth or kids that you care about at schools or community programs. There's so many things that you could do with this program. Loblaws is joining Shoppers Optimum, and you can redeem these points at I think there's about 4 or 5 different places, but I have a lot more to teach you guys. It's a whole thing, it's a whole system, and I'm sharing my system with you guys because I believe in love, I believe in community, I believe in finding out about amazing things and then telling other people about it so that it can improve their quality of life, and I just want to make the world a better place. And yeah, I really believe in this stuff. I really do. And I feel like you are 12 months away from that vacation to Paris or Mexico that you've always wanted to go on. You're 12 months away from that, and all you have to do is go get groceries at Shoppers Optimum on 20 times the points day every month for the next 12 months. That's all you gotta do. That's all you gotta do. It's like amazing. It's incredible. It's absolutely incredible. I'm like flabbergasted by it. So you're not actually getting like money, you are redeeming, but in lieu of the money that you're not spending, you can put that money towards a high interest savings account, or you can start investing it. There's so many things that you can do. I really appreciate you watching this video. If it works for you, please let other people know about it, and please like send them my way, send them to my video so they can like learn from me as well, because I just think it's gonna help so many different people. I just think it's pretty great. So if you guys have questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Please subscribe, and also follow my Instagram. All of my social media info is gonna be down there. If it works for you, get in touch with me, like comment on my Instagram, comment on my YouTube, and be like, hey Rose, like I checked out your video and it's like super cool. It helped me really lots with budgeting and with getting points, etc. And I'm looking forward to a lot of you redeeming free things and getting money back in your pocket from this system. Here, this is the past 3 months of my like shopping at Shoppers Optimum, using the techniques or the tactics, I guess, that I was teaching you guys. And altogether I spent $360, plus there's more because there's times when I went in I only got like 100 points or something. I'm just not showing those there. This is the final result after me getting about 20,000 points, and that's usually my goal, is to get at least 20,000 points when I'm going on 20 times the points days. Yeah, so as you can see, it just like over time I eventually got to where I'm at right now, 104,000, which is pretty great.